Friends, today we are showing how SSD upgradation for MacBook Air 1466. First of all, you need this screwdriver and the bit of T4 bit to open the MacBook screws. We'll open screws one by one. Now we'll open the back case. Here is the hard disk. The MacBook have a special edition of SSD NVMe. We'll open the screw. This is the hard drive, single notch hard drive. The same hard disk you have to put it in the rack. Please like and subscribe.